Guys, today I'm not sure how to fix voice chat not showing up in Roblox, but before we continue, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Let's open a Roblox player and head over to more and type in settings. Now head over to security and just type in security is known, privacy at content restriction, for example, content maturity at moderate. And for the communication, voice experience chat, so click on age check needed, click on continue. So this will enable audio chat, on continue. So look at this idea, guys. Let's get back here and type in here, and let's get back to voice data usage and camera input to do the sound, and let's head over to communication and experience chat. Let's keep it on, and voice data usage is on. So this is it, guys. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe.